Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming thread type and the exact spot where the current work ends. You need that anchor. Once done, leave a 4/6 cm tail and hold the working strand in your dominant hand so tension stays consistent. Make sure to secure nearby stitches with a clip to prevent unraveling. You're initiating the change now. You won't cut the old thread yet. This early control preserves stitch count and makes the next steps predictable and clean for the rest of the swap. You drop the old thread, but keep the tail accessible for weaving later. You then pull the new thread through the live loop so the join sits inside the stitch. Once done, make a secure slip stitch or single crochet into the same stitch to lock the join and tighten gently so gauge remains even. Make sure to maintain consistent tension between the two threads. This preserves row shape and prevents bumps. You can now continue the established pattern as if nothing changed. You finish by weaving both tails into the wrong side along the stitch paths for at least 3 to 4 centimeters. This prevents slippage and keeps surfaces flat. Once done, trim excess close to the weave and smooth tension with a light steam or finger massage. If stitches look uneven, make sure joins weren't pulled tight. Loosen and reweave if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if puckering appears, open the join, redistribute tension, and resecure with another slip stitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.